Have you ever heard the term hyperinflation and wondered what it means? Most people are familiar with inflation, which is when prices rise over time. But hyperinflation is something far more extreme. In this video, we will explain what hyperinflation is, what causes it, how it affects daily life, and how countries try to deal with it. Hyperinflation happens when prices rise at an extremely fast and uncontrollable pace. Instead of prices going up slowly over years, they can double or even triple in just weeks or months. Imagine buying a loaf of bread today for $2, and a week later it costs $4, and the following month it costs $10. That is hyperinflation. Money loses value so quickly that people need huge amounts just to buy simple items. So, what causes hyperinflation? The most common reason is when governments print too much money. If there is more money in circulation than the economy can support, the value of that money drops. Another reason is when people lose confidence in the currency. If they believe money will be worth less tomorrow, they rush to spend it today, which makes prices climb even faster. Wars, political crises, or collapses in production can also lead to hyperinflation. For example, if goods become scarce but the government keeps printing money, the gap between money and goods grows wider, pushing prices out of control. The effects of hyperinflation can be devastating. Savings lose value almost overnight. Imagine working for years to save money, only to find it can no longer buy even a small meal. Wages cannot keep up with prices, so workers struggle to survive. In some historical cases, like Germany in the 1920s or Zimbabwe in the 2000s, people carried money in bags or even wheelbarrows just to buy groceries. Businesses may close because they cannot plan ahead, and international trade becomes difficult when other countries refuse to accept unstable money. Shortages of food, fuel, and medicine often follow, making life even harder. How can hyperinflation be solved? It is not easy. But there are a few common steps. Governments may stop printing excess money and try to stabilize the currency by linking it to a stronger foreign currency. Some countries introduce entirely new money to replace the old one. Central banks may also raise interest rates to slow down spending and restore balance. In many cases, reforms, international help, and rebuilding trust in the economy are needed to end hyperinflation. To sum it up, hyperinflation is when prices rise so quickly that money loses its value almost overnight. It is usually caused by printing too much money, loss of confidence, or severe crises. The impact can destroy savings, reduce jobs, and create shortages of essentials. While rare, history shows that hyperinflation can bring economies to a standstill if not fixed quickly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of big economic ideas.